Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 6.3 question number 3. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Let us find. We know that we know we know that we know that we know that the sum of we know that the sum we know that the sum of we know that the sum of first n first we know that the first sum of first n odd natural number odd natural number odd natural number odd natural number is n square, right? The square the square the square roots the square roots of 100 the square roots of 100 can be obtained can be obtained can be obtained can be obtained by the method of by the method by the method of by the method of by the method of repeated subtraction by the method of repeated subtraction repeated subtraction as follows. Right, in first step we can write 100 minus 1, that is we are getting 99. Next one is 99 minus 3, that is equal to 96. 96 minus 5, that is equal to 91. 91 91 minus 7, 91 minus 7, 91 minus 7, that is 84. 84 minus 9, 84 84 minus 9, that is equal to 75. 75 minus 11, that is equal to 75 minus 11, that is equal to 64. 64 minus 13, that is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. 51. 64 minus 13, that is equal to 51. Now 51 minus 15, 51 minus 15, that is 36. 51 minus 15, that is equal to 36, and 36 minus 17, 36 minus 17 is equal to 9, 19, that is 36 minus 17 is equal to 19, and 19 minus 19 is equal to 0. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 step, right? Therefore, you can write that the square root, therefore, we have obtained, therefore, we have subtracted, therefore, we have subtracted, therefore, we have subtracted, therefore, we have subtracted successive odd numbers, successive, we have subtracted successive, successive, successive odd numbers, successive odd numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers, starting from 1, starting, starting from 1, starting from 1, starting from 1, and obtained, starting from 1 and obtained, and obtained, obtained 0 at 10th step, at 10th step, at 10th step. Therefore, you can say that, therefore, you can say that the square root of 100 is equal to 10, right? Again, you repeat here. We know that the sum of first n odd natural number is n square. The square roots of 100 can be obtained by the method of repeated subtraction as follows, right? Now, we will find the number 169. Now, let us find the number 169. Again, we are writing that we know that we know we know we know that the sum of first first n odd natural number, natural number odd natural number is n square, right? The square root, of 169, the square root, the square root of 169, can be obtained, by repeated subtraction, can be obtained by repeated, subtraction, obtained by repeated subtraction, can be obtained by repeated subtraction as follows. Right? We are finding here 169 minus 1, that is step 1 is 169 minus 1, that is equal to 168. Step 2, 168 minus 3, that is equal to 168 minus 3 is equal to 165. 165, this is second step. Third step is 165 minus 5, that is equal to 160. Now fourth step is 160 minus 7 is equal to 153. Fifth step is 153 minus 9. 153 minus 9, that is 144. Now sixth step is 144 minus 11, that is equal to 144 minus 11 is equal to 133. Now seventh step is 133 minus 13, that is equal to 120. Now eighth step is 120 minus 15, that is equal to 115. No, 120 minus 120 minus 15, that is 105. That is 120 minus 15 is 105, that is 105. Ninth step is 105 minus 17. 105 minus 17. 105 minus 17 is equal to 88. Tenth step is 88 minus 19. 88 minus 19 is equal to 69. This is 10th step. 11th step is 69. 11th step is 69. This is 11th step is 69 minus 21. That is, you are getting 8, 4, 48. We are getting 48. 48. Number 12th step is 48 minus 23. 48 minus 23, that is 5. That is 25. We are getting 25. And the next step, 13th step is 25 minus 25, that is equal to 0, right? That we're getting the value as, therefore, that in 13th step we got 0. That we can say that the square root of 169 is equal to 13. is we got 0, 13 at the 13th, we got 0 at 13th step, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. In 13th step, we are getting 0, right? Because we know that the sum of the first n odd natural number is n square. The square root of 169 can be obtained by repeated subtraction as follows. Therefore, the square root of 169 is equal to 13. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.